Hi there. I am so excited to share this new tool with you realtors out there. You may have heard of homebot, and it is awesome as far as the monthly digest that it sends out to homeowners about what's going on with their property. But did you know that there's now a home buyers segment in homebot? This is so cool. And this is in addition to whatever kind of software you're using to get listings to people, drip campaigns, etc. This is not instead of, it is in addition to. So what this does is it gives your buyers the information about market trends in the targeted areas that they're interested in. They can also compare some key buying decisions in the different neighborhoods that they're interested in. So that's really helpful. They'll see how interest rates impact their buying power and also what short-term income is available to them, possibly. Lots of great tools. In addition to that, they can sort by, do they want the biggest home in the area, the cheapest home, or the one with the fastest move-in date? If you're familiar with homebot, you know the amazing technology advancements that are available to homeowners, and now they're available to home buyers. So you can only get this service in conjunction with a lender. I'd love to be that lender. If you're not already signed up with homebot, please reach out to me today. We'll get you signed up. We'll get your home buyers, your whole sphere in there, and we'll take it from there. Looking forward to working with you.